how to create a shared calendar on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create shared calendars on your Apple Calendar. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open up your calendar app and then go to the plus icon in the top left. So click on new event, and now you can put in the event name, the location, so the date and time, and you need to go to add invitees, and then you need to put in the email address of the person that you want to share the calendar with. And once the person accepts the invite from their email, then then automatically the calendar will be shared between you two. Both of you will be able to see the event in your calendars respectively. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.